Welcome back, guys, and today we are going to talk about Clara. Now, she was a girl that wanted to be a nurse. Well, I can show you here, folks. So if I click to the next, never mind. Let's go back here to the beginning. And now, sorry about this, you guys. Okay, so you see Clara and her older sisters. That's Clara's little house right there. Right there, see her little family. And Clara wanted to be a nurse. She stayed 2 years out of school because she had to help her brother because he fell off a roof. Fun fact, kids, never climb off a roof. You'll fall off. Okay, never do that. Okay, so there's her brother that fell off of the rooftop and she put leeches on him. Wow, I'm a leech. Look. Ooh, I'm a leech. So he put leeches on him and he became a military sergeant in the Civil War. So Clara helped the soldiers. And there's 2 words I didn't know. Geneva. Clara she worked in this Red Cross group for 90 years. She died and she lived for 90 years. I don't know this word, but it's Zetcher. And the actor, something like that. I did not know that word. I can't pronounce it. I did not know that word. And Clara worked in the Red Cross for 22 years, and she died at the age of 90. Now, you guys, you should read this book. It is a very good book. You should read it because it is very good. Like, super good. Now, if you do a good job, I'll give you a Lego Man. So if you want to watch this book, I'll give you all these Lego Man. There's like 30 of these. And I'll put them all on my little board here. You'll get all these little Lego Man if you do a good job. And if you get this book on and you start reading it, it's in Big Universe. It's called Clara. And she was a Red Cross member. Bye.